Hello everyone, welcome to my Coursefy review. Today, we explore a breakthrough that makes building your own e-learning academy faster than ever before. It's called Coursefy. So, what is Coursefy? Coursefy is a done-for-you e-learning solution that removes the usual tech struggles. From course creation to student management, everything is automated. You keep 100% of the profits and get full control over your digital academy. However, before proceeding with the demo and the OTOs, please note that the link provided in the description is my affiliate link. And if you purchase through my link, you will receive some exclusive bonuses from me, which you can see on the screen. Also, you can use the discount coupon, Coursefy30, and get a 30% discount. Now watch the complete official demo video of Coursefy and understand how it works. I hope you understand how Coursefy does its magic. It is a low one-time offer. Take advantage of this amazing opportunity. If you want to check out Coursefy at any point, go ahead and click the link in the description. Now let's review the OTOs, the one-time offers. First, we have already seen the Coursefy front end. To check all the OTOs, check the link in the description. The first OTO is Unlimited Edition. Second OTO is Done For You Edition. Third OTO is Reseller. Lastly, the fourth OTO is Whitelabel. Now, here are the premium level bonuses that you will be receiving inside the members area once you decide to purchase. These are other than my own bonuses. The e-learning industry is exploding, and Coursefy positions you right at the center of it. Everything you need, courses, websites, automation, is built in. Don't wait for the price to rise. Grab Coursefy now and turn your expertise into income on your terms.